Hey guys, welcome back to the Pink Envelope. I am unboxing my Thirdlove unbox. So Thirdlove is a panty and bra site. It is not a subscription. I needed new bras, hopped on, ordered one, loved the experience, shared it with you guys. So then last time I ordered 2 more. I've loved those, so I ordered more, and I included undies this time. I've never tried undies. The first bra I ordered was a 24/7 classic contour plunge bra. They sent it in a 32D and a 32D1/2. Since I did not know my sizing yet, they sent them both to me, only charged me for one. I tried them on, sent the 32D back because it did not fit the way I liked it, and I kept the D1/2, and it was great. I was so impressed with the style quiz, the experience, and letting me try those bras on and wear them. And here's what they do. Let's say you get a bra and you wear it. I think it's, let's see if I have it written down somewhere, 60 days. After like day 50, you're like, this is not a fit for me. You just contact them, let them know, package it up, and ship it back. They take those bras, wash them, get them back to being beautiful again, and donate them to Support the Girls, Soul for Souls, Good 360, and more nonprofits like that. Isn't that so cool? And they have donated, I was trying to see if I could find it, but I never did, tons and tons of bras. And their website is not Victoria's Secret girls. They're real women. All shapes, sizes, skin tones. For me, I need like moms who've had babies to be putting on those bras so I can see how they fit. I highly, highly recommend getting on there. I have all that linked below, their website, everything. Anyhow, loved the 24/7 Classic Contour. Then I ordered the 24/7 Classic T-shirt bra, which I am wearing right now. And I ordered the Everyday Lace Plunge bra. This is a very thin t-shirt. I have a bunch of these and I loved them, but I always had like the thick lines here, like you could tell I was wearing a bra, and I did not like that. This is a Thirdlove bra. It is so comfortable. It's not as seamless, but it fits great under thin t-shirts. They have different plunging necklines. I'm a fan. I'm a fangirl. I am not paid to say any of this. I make these videos and show off these bras because bras are a pain in the butt to buy, but these are not, because you can do them online, have it shipped to your house where you try it on in the comfort of your home, and they have the best money back guarantee, the best. They have the fit promise in here and talk about how to make sure your bra fits you perfectly. I'm excited to see undies because I've never tried their undies. This is what the box looks like. And here's my invoice. So, I have a variety this time. Very excited about this. So my others, I'm gonna link. Y'all go watch those past videos. The bras there are more like everyday mom t-shirt bras. These are a little more sexy, have a little more design to them. I even got one of them for Valentine's for my hubby. So this one, I'm gonna make sure I tell you which one this is correctly. This is the Modern Mesh Plunge Bra in Midnight Navy. This is size 32.5. Very, very pretty. They have little inserts in here you can leave in or take out. I leave mine in. They add a little thickness to things. Breastfed a couple of babies, I need it. The materials on these are so, so great. So, so great. I also love that they do not put big embellishments right here. Y'all went to Victoria's Secret the other day just to compare. The price points were the same. I'm not talking about their cheap pink brand stuff you can get for 20, 30 bucks. No, those bras are really rough on my skin. Price points are the same. This bra is $76, but I only paid $68 because they were having a deal. But they all have these like metal things right here. When I would try them on, and I'm sorry, my posture's not always the best. When I would sit, it was like poking in all my stuff. So, love. Then this is my Valentine's bra. The Matte and Shine Eyelet Plunge Bra in True Navy. This one was also $76, but I only paid $68 because they were having a special. It is super silky soft. I love it. Everything else I've gotten in ivory, taupe, rose. So I went for some color this time. Then I got matching undies. This is the Matte and Shine Bikini True Navy Undie. It goes with this bra. Woo. Isn't that so cute? My hubby is not a thong guy, like any of those. He is not a fan. He likes a little mystery. So I typically get an undie that has a mesh of some sort that's like partially see-through and partially not. I think he's gonna love this. Then I got just some everyday undies. I have not tried these on and worn these. I will, and I'll look back just like I do every single time. Just wanted to unbox them and show them off to you today. Well, maybe. So this one I'm opening is the Comfort Stretch Bikini and Taupe. This undie was $24. This everyday undie is $12 or 3 for $30. It is really thin and light. I like that. Gosh, I like that a lot. And then this is the everyday cotton lace trim undie. They're $9 each or 7 for $47. And it has little boobies all over it. That's so cute. And I'll see if I can pull a picture from online. There's sketches from real natural boobs. So like there's like asymmetrical, there's ones that point out, there's ones that point in. It's actually really, really cute. So there you go. That's an everyday undie. So here's my lineup. Was there anything else I wanted to tell you guys? I'm gonna link any specials or coupons or anything like that I have in the notes below, so make sure you go down there. Shipping's $4.99 on things. Every time I've only paid $4.99. They have sizes AA through I, including half sizes. And I think the best part I love is the money back guarantee. There is absolutely no reason not to try, because you have it shipped in. You're gonna order it with the coupon on your first order. Have it shipped in, try them on, find your match. If you don't find your match, you just send it all back. You don't lose anything. And their customer service is really, really good. Hop on the website, I have it linked. All right, Thirdlove, you're awesome. I cannot wait to try these on. I cannot wait to reveal these to my hubby. I hope you guys have an amazing day, and I'll see you guys later. Bye, y'all.